Managing multiple desktops and applications is getting more difficult and more expensive. IT managers can barely keep up with updates and new OS rollouts, let alone maintain security standards for every PC. And what happens when you need to get a new office up and running quickly? Citrix Zen Desktop can help. Here's how. Instead of installing an operating system, applications, and user profile on hundreds of individual PCs, you package them as single images in the data center, then dynamically assemble virtual desktops for each user. Single instance management means you only need to apply patches and updates once. It means you need far less storage space to handle the same number of desktops. And centralized data control means higher security compliance throughout the enterprise. So IT can roll out new desktops or new branch offices instantly, apply updates and patches more efficiently, and even roll out Windows 7 in a fraction of the time it would take in a traditional desktop environment. Best of all, users can access their desktop from anywhere, at any time, on any device. Different types of users need different types of desktops, so Citrix Zen Desktop with FlexCast delivery technology supports every major desktop virtualization model in a single, integrated solution. Hosted shared desktops provide locked-down, standardized desktops for task users who don't need a personalized experience. VDI supports a hosted virtual desktop solution for office workers with average processing needs. Blade PCs deliver hosted desktops to technical and graphics professionals who need heavy processing power. Desktop streaming leverages existing processing power in a local PC, providing an easy, low-cost way to deliver virtual desktops to on-site users connected to your local area network. Virtual applications let you provide offline applications to an existing desktop, allowing mobile users to disconnect from the network. And local VM desktops will extend the full benefits of virtual desktops to mobile workers in an offline environment. FlexCast allows you to deliver any combination of these technologies, all orchestrated from one centrally managed solution. But regardless of which type of desktop FlexCast delivers to your users, they deserve the same high performance they expect from their local PC. Citrix HDX technology provides them with a blazing fast, high-definition user experience that rivals their local machine, even for flash and multimedia content, webcams, audio, USB peripherals, and 3D graphics applications. And because Zen Desktop is managed by IT in the data center, users never have to deal with patches, updates, or application conflicts. Just a high-performance desktop wherever they need it. Unlike other solutions on the market, only Citrix Zen Desktop delivers maximum flexibility from FlexCast delivery technology, fast and reliable performance through the HDX user experience, and the freedom to access your desktop from anywhere, at any time, on any device. Citrix Zen Desktop, the clear choice in desktop virtualization.